back to our EVS class. Hope you all are fine. So as you all know, in the previous live session, we had done the revision of 13th chapter, that is World of Flowers, in which is going on in our EVS class. That is World of Flowers. And many of you didn't watch the videos, so do watch the videos properly and understand the methods, that what are the functions of flowers and what are the uses of flowers, and what is the structure of flowers, what are the parts of flowers. Everything will be clear in the previous videos, so do watch those videos. And one more thing, it is very important to attend the live class, so everyone be attentive and always be present in the live classes, as your present is very much mandatory. So today I want to tell you that we are starting with the bookwork of this chapter. Summary of this chapter is completed, recap of this chapter is also completed. So we are starting with the bookwork today. Okay, so everyone just keep your book with you and start writing with me. Yeah, and I know many of you had done the bookwork before, like अभी मैंने करवाया नहीं, and many of you have done just because आपने videos में अच्छे से समझा है. अगर आप videos नहीं देखेंगे, it will not clear that what will come in the bookwork. Okay, so let's start with the bookwork now. Open page number 65. Page number 65. Here on page number 65, two fill in the blanks are given. Firstly, we will be doing that. So first fill up is, flowers grow from dash. Flowers grow from dash. Flowers किससे bloom होता है, कहाँ से bloom होता है? From buds. So answer will be flowers grow from buds. As B-U-D-S, buds. Flowers grow from buds. When buds open, they bloom to a flower. Okay? जैसे जैसे bud open होगा, flower bloom हो जाएगा. Then next is, plants like dash do not have flowers. Plants like dash do not have flowers. I told you 3-4 names of the flowers which do not have flowers, जिन plants में flowers नहीं होते हैं, and those plants are known as non-flowering plants. So let us write here the names. In the blank you will write fern, moss, and here you can write fungi also. Fungi is a green color, like उस पे भी कभी वो नहीं होता है, फ्लावर नहीं होता ग्रो. Fern, moss, fungi, and pine. So you will write all of these in the blank, that these plants do not have any flower. Okay, these plants do not have any flower. Fern, moss, fungi, and pine. Pine you can just skip also, because we are writing here about the plants and pine is a tree. So fern, moss, and fungi you can write. So plants like fern, moss, and fungi do not have flowers. Then next is, move on to the next page, page number 67. Page number 67. These are the match the following. Okay, I am writing here. At the left hand side it is written broccoli. Second is written spice. Third is written rose water. Fourth is written color. Now just move on to the right hand side. Here it is written A, saffron. Next is vegetable. Then third is rose water के सामने है marigold. And part is rose. So this is given to us and we have to match them. Okay. So firstly broccoli. Broccoli which will connect with which one? First is saffron. Is there any connection with saffron and broccoli? No. Vegetable. Yeah, broccoli we eat as a vegetable and broccoli is a flower, right? And we eat broccoli as a vegetable, means flower is as a vegetable we are also eating. So we will connect it with this. I'm not marking the lines, I'm just writing here numbers. So this is the answer of first. Now the second is spice. Spice will connect with which one? Saffron. Saffron is a spice. Yes, saffron is a spice also. So this is these are the some uses of the flowers which we are doing. Okay. Then next is rose water. Rose water will connect with which one? Marigold or rose? Rose water किससे बनता है? With the rose. So answer will be rose. Then fourth is color. And colors कैसे बनते हैं? With the flower, that is marigold. So these are the matches. And after that, open page number 68. Yeah, page number 68. On this page, exercise section A. Practice exercise section A. First A question is given, that is MCQs. MCQs are given. So the first MCQ is Petunia blooms during the dash season. Petunia is the name of flower and which blooms during the dash season. कौन से season में bloom करता है? It blooms during the winter season. It blooms during the winter season. So tick on the option number B, that is winter. Because this flower blooms in the winter season. Tick on the B option. After that, the next one is the green part of a flower is called. Okay, so the green part of flower, I told you 4 parts of flower. Sepal, petal, stamen and carpel. So which one is the green part? That is the sepal. That is the sepal. So write the answer. A option will be correct. That is sepal. And on the same page, fill-ups are given. So let's do these fill-ups now. 2 fill-ups are given. First is flowers like dash are seen throughout the year. जो full year we can see those. Means उनके लिए कोई season नहीं है that summer होगा या spring में bloom होगा या फिर winter में bloom होगा. They are bloomed throughout the year. Okay. So the flowers like कौन से flowers होते हैं? That is lily and rose. Lily and rose are seen throughout the year. Then next is dash are the most attractive part of a flower. So what are the parts of flower? Sepals, petals, stamens and carpel. So which part is the most attractive one? This is the petals. Petals are the part of flower which are most attractive. Okay, which attracts the insects, birds and us also. Which attracts us also. Right? So petals are the most attractive part of a flower. After that, circle the odd ones are given. Circle the odd ones. This is the C question given. Circle the odd one. So first question is, 4 words are given to us. I am writing here fern, lotus, fungi, given to us. Now fern, fungi and moss. As I told you, these are the plants which do not have any flower, means these are the non-flowering plants. Now this is the flower. So this one is the odd one. Lotus is a flower and this one is the odd one. Now next is saffron, clove, caper and cashew. These 4 words are given to us. Okay, so now saffron, clove and caper, these are the spices and the cashew is a dry fruit. So we will circle it because this is the odd one. Cashew. Cashew is a dry fruit and others are spices. Spices made with the flour. Okay. Now third is daffodil, tulip. Now here jasmine is written, so you will put cross on that. Jasmine को कट करके we will write carnation. इसको कट करके we will write carnation. And here it is pansy. So these are the 4 words. Here you have to just put a line. इसको कट करके we will write carnation. So daffodil, tulip, carnation. Now these plant grows during the spring season. Okay. So these plants grow during the spring season. Daffodils, tulip and carnation. Pansy grows during the summer season. So this one is the odd one out. Pansy, so pansy grows during the winter season, not the summer season. Pansy grows during the winter season and others grows during the spring season. So this one is the odd one out. Okay. Now after that one structure is given. It is a paths of flower, means flower structure is given. And what you have to do, you have to join the dates and name the picture. You have to also color and label it. This is your homework that you will do it by yourself. Okay. And now after that 2 MCQs are given. That is practice exercise B on page number 69. So page number 69 open करें सभी. Page number 69. MCQs are given. First MCQ is fruits grow from. Fruits कहाँ से grow करते हैं? Flowers grow from buds. Now fruits grow from flowers. Okay? Fruits कहाँ से grow करेंगे? See, I told you the function. Bud से क्या बना? Flower bloom हुआ. Right? Flower से क्या बना? Fruit. And fruit के अंदर क्या होते हैं? Seeds. And then seeds जब उसको हम sow करते हैं, after that क्या होगा? हमारे पास एक new plant आएगा. So this is the process. This is the function of a flower. First question is fruits grows from flowers. So options are given A, stem, buds and flowers. So option number C is correct. That is flowers. Fruits grow from flowers. Clear? Now the second is seeds are found in. अब seeds कहाँ मिलते हैं? As I told you, seeds are found in the fruit. Seeds are found in the fruit. So option number C again correct. That is fruits. Okay, flowers and fruits. Done. So this was the book work of this chapter. In the next session we will be doing the notebook work, and hope you all have done this. And thank you so much for watching and take care. Bye bye.